So next exercise is based on circle. So for circle there are a few things. So first of it is circumference of a circle. So what is circumference of a circle? Before knowing the circumference, I would like you people to know what is diameter and radius. This is radius. Okay, this is center and this is a point on the circle. This is center and point on a circle. So this is A. OA is the radius R. Or if you draw another line from a center to a circle OB, it is also radius. Okay, and remember that OA is equals to OB, as the radius of circle always remains the same all over the circle. This is also this and everything means a line from center to a point on a circle are all radius, and they all are radius. Okay, they all are radius and they all are equal. Okay, and if you draw a line, AOC is a straight line. AOC is diameter. Here OC is also radius. Okay, this OC is also radius, and AOC is diameter. It means this is a diameter, and diameter is a line from one point of circle to the other point on circle passing through center. Okay, diameter is a line from one point of a circle to the other point of circle passing through center. Okay, this is a diameter. Always remember, diameter is 2 times radius. Okay, diameter is double the radius always. AOC is equals to AO plus OC, OA plus OC. Okay, it is double the radius. You can also write radius equals to diameter upon 2. Okay, diameter upon 2 is the radius, where radius is a line from center to a point on circle. Okay, and this is OA or OC or OB, all three are radius, and all three are equal. Radius of a circle always remains the same in a circle. Okay, so next point is circumference. What is circumference? Circumference means the perimeter, means the boundary of a circle. Okay, boundary of a circle is the radius of circle. Circumference of circle. if this is the center O and this is a radius OA. Okay, this is radius. So from this point, turning around all this the circumference, if a man moves from this point to this point, so this is equal to the circumference of the circle. We are not talking of inside area of circle, it is the only the length of the boundary from this point to this point, from A point coming back to the A point, turning all around the circle. So this is the circumference. This is circumference, and this has a formula 2 pi r, means 2 into pi into radius, where pi stands for 22 by 7. Pi is a constant. Never forget, pi is a constant. It won't change anytime. It is a constant. Okay? It will always be 22 by 7. So next is area of circle. This is circle and this is again the radius. So here area is pi r square, where pi again is 22 upon 7. So area is into radius into radius. Okay, radius into radius. So area is this enclosed part around in the circle. Okay, so now moving to the exercise. So this is the first question from the exercise that says that we have to find the circumference of the circle when diameter is 10.5. So for circumference of the circle, we should know the radius. It is 2 into pi into radius. So where diameter is 10.5 meter, so radius will be 10.5 upon 2, that is 5.25 meter. Okay, then you have to find the circumference, that is 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into 5.25. Removing decimal, you will get 100 here. Cutting it by 25, you will get 4. Cutting it this by 25, you will get 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are 4 twos are 2 ones are, it is 11s are, it is 1s are. So 11 into 3, that is 33 meter is the circumference of the circle. And D part here says radius is 8 meter 75 centimeter. That is 8 meter plus 75 centimeter, that is 8 into 100 centimeter plus 75 centimeter, that is 875 centimeter. So now circumference is 2 into pi into r, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 875. Okay, you can also write this in meters. that is 875 upon 100, that is 8.75 meters. So it is meter. Okay, cutting it by 25, you will get 4. Cutting it by 25, it is 35. It is 5. 2 1s are 11. Okay, so 11 into 5, 55 meter. Okay, so this is our circumference, 855 centimeter, and this is 33 centimeter, 55 meter. So this is the next question, in which we have to find the area where radius is 1.4 meters, and we have to find area. Area has a formula, pi r square, that is 22 by 7 into radius square, that is 1.4 into 1.4. Okay, so it is 10, it is 10, it is 2s. Okay, so 22 into 4 into 2 is 44 into 1.4 into 14 meter square upon 100. Okay, so it is 616 upon 100 meter square, that is 6.16 meter square. So this is our answer. So D part is diameter, says that 4.2 meter is radius is diameter upon 2, that is 4.2 upon 2, that is 2.1 meter. Okay, so we have to find the area, that is pi r square again, that is 22 by 7 into r square. R square is 2.1 into 2.1 meter square. Okay, so it is this 7 1s are 3s are. Okay, you are left with 22 into 3, 66 into 21 upon 100 meter square. So this is 1386 upon 100, so 13.86 meter square. This is our answer. So this is our next question, that says that if the area of circle is given as 154 centimeter square, find the radius. You have to find the radius of the circle, pi r square, 22 by 7 into r square equals to 154. So r square equals to 154 into 7 by 22 7. So r square equals to 7 into 7. So r equals to r square equals to 7 square. So r equals to 7 meters. Okay, so this is radius 7 meters, and then you have to find the circumference. Equals to 2 pi r. 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. The 7 and 7 are cutted. We are left with 44 meter. Okay, this is our circumference. So this is this next question that says that a square park of size 120 meters. This is a square park. It is 120 meters. It is square, so it is all equal from all the sides. Okay. It is circle. So from here to here is the 21 meter radius, and we have to find what is the area of circular lawn. Okay, area of circle is pi r square. Radius is 21 meters. Okay, 66 into 21. Okay, this is the meter into meter, so meter square. It is 1386 meter square. This is the area of circle inside the square. So next, also find the area of the remaining portion of the square park. Means you have to also find the area of this portion. Okay, so area of this portion will be equals to removing this area of square. We'll find the area of square, then remove this area of circle. So area of square is 120. Area of square is side square, meter square. It is 14400 meter square. Now area of the remaining portion is area square minus circle. Area of square minus 1386. Okay, it is 13014 meter square. Next question says that you have to find the cost of polishing a circular table top. Means here is a circular table of diameter 2.1 meter. Okay, and we have to find the cost of polishing the table. That is, polish is to be made on all over the area. Okay, on the top of circle means the area of the circle, the polish is to be put. So we will find the area. Here diameter is 2.1 meter. So here radius is 2.1 upon 2, that is 1.05 meter. Okay, now we have to find area pi r square. Okay, so here 1.05 into 1.05. Okay. (21 by 20), 21 by 20, 7 ones are, it is 3s are 11, 10. We are left with 11 into 3 into 21 upon 200. It is 3, 4, 6. Okay. (3.465 meter square). This is the area, and now we have to find the cost of polishing. That is 10 into 3.465, that is 34.65 rupees. Here cost of 1 meter square was rupees 10, so cost of 3.46 meter square will be 34.65 rupees. This is our next question, that says that it is a big circular sheet in which has a radius of 21 centimeter. Radius of sheet is 21 centimeter. Okay. Now what it says, that 5 circles of radius 3.5 centimeter, radius of small circle, radius of small 5 circles is 3.5 centimeter, and a rectangle, length of rectangle is said whose length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. 4 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter, and a square is said of size 1 centimeter. Square side equals to 1 centimeter. Okay. They are removed. Removed means the area of this portion, means this 5 circles and a rectangle and a square are removed. Okay, it means this area is also removed. Okay, these was over the sheet, these were just stick over the sheet or something, so we have removed these from the sheet. Okay, this is not stuck on the boundary, it is inside. So if we, for inside, filling something inside, we calculate the area. So these were inside the sheet, so these were the covering the area, so we have removed this, and we have to find the area of remaining sheet. We have to find the area of this remaining part, this part. Okay, this. Okay, area remaining part will be area of this full sheet minus the area of these small 5 circles, rectangle and a square. So we will calculate the area of sheet, that is, it is a circle, so pi r square. So 22 by 7 into radius is given as 21 into 21. These are in centimeter square, so 7 3s are, so 66 into 21. It is 1386 centimeter square. Then area of 5 circles. Area of 5 circles, small circles. So here it is 5 multiplied by area of one circle, that is pi r square. That is 5 into pi is 22 by 7. Here radius is given as 3.5. Okay, so radius square. Okay, we will remove the decimals. This 7 is cut by 5. So it is cutting this 5 by 2. This 2 ones are, it is 11. So you are left with 5 into 11 into 35 upon 10. 5 into 11, then this is cut off, we are left with 35 and a 10. Okay, it is 1925 upon 10, that is 192.5 centimeters square. So this is the area of 5 circles. And then the area of rectangle. So this is length into breadth. Here length is given as 4 and breadth is given as 3. So 4 into 3, this is 12 centimeter square. And then area of a square. Square has a side of 1 centimeter. So area of square is side square, that is 1 square, that 1 centimeter square, that is 1 centimeter. 1 into 1 is 1. So 1 centimeter square is the area of square. And now what? We have to calculate the area of remaining part. We have to find the area of remaining sheet. Area of remaining sheet will be area of sheet minus 5 circles minus rectangle and minus square. So area of sheet here was 1386 minus area of 5 circles. 5 circles were 192.5. Area of rectangle, it is 12. Area of square is 1. So we will subtract this. It is 1180.5 centimeter square. This is the area of remaining sheet. This is our next question that says that outer edge of a running circular track is 440 meter long. Means this is a circular track. This was a circular track that was 450 meter long. This track is 450 meter long. That is, this length is given as 440 meter. That is circumference of inner circle is given as 440 meters, which will be equals to, this is the radius, this is radius of inner portion I, inner, which will be equals to 2 into pi into radius of inner portion. So what will be the radius of inner portion? This was circumference of inner circle, right? Into radius of inner portion. So this is Ri equals to 440 into 7. 7 was in divide, and this 2 into 22 is 44, which was in multiply, will come in divide here. It is tensor. So Ri equals to 10 into 7, 70 meters. So radius of inner portion is 70 meter. Okay, now it says that it is to be widened by 5 meter all around. It has been widened, means it has increased, it has been made more thicker. Okay, the radius has been made more thicker, and we have to find the cost of widening. Means we have to first calculate the area of this portion, how much area has been widened up. Widened means चौड़ा करना, किसी को चौड़ा करना, किसी को फैलाना. मीन्स इसको फैला के यहाँ तक लाया गया. मीन्स वी हैव इंक्रीज दिस एरिया. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ वाइडनिंग. मीन्स हाउ मच वी हैव वाइडेंड. फर्स्ट वी कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ widened part. How much area is widened? means how much has it been increased. Okay, so it will be equals to the area of inner portion plus the minus the area of outer portion. What is the area of outer portion? Look, this was r and this was this area. Okay, this radius has come out to be 70. This is 70. So radius of inner portion is 70. What is the radius of outer portion? This is, originally it was 70, now it has increased by 5 meters. Now it has become, so radius of outer, it is 70 plus 5, that is 75 meters. So area of widened part will be equals to area of out minus area of inner. What is the area of outer portion? Pi r square, radius of outer part, minus pi radius of inner part. Okay, pi and pi is common, taking pi common. It is radius of outer part. What is the radius of outer part? 75 square minus 70 square. Radius of inner part. This, as pi has been taken out common. Okay. So now it is a square minus b square. We can solve it by that way also. You don't have to calculate the exact square for it. You can do it by one more way. 22 by 7. It is a square minus b square. 75 square minus 70 square can be written as a plus b, a minus b. Okay, this formula you have gone through earlier. It is 70 plus 75, 145 into 70 minus 75 minus 70 is 5. Okay, can this be cutted? This cannot be deducted. So what will we do? So here this is 3.14 multiplied by 145 into 5. This is equals to 2276.5 meters square. So area of widened part is this. So cost of 1 meter square is rupees 8. Cost of 2276.5 meter square will be 8 into 2276.5. This is equals to 18212 rupees. Okay, this is our answer here. So this is our next question that says that the minute hand of a circular clock, like there is a circular clock, we will construct only minute hand. This is the minute hand, okay, and this is the 12 point. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, the question says that this minute hand is 14 centimeter long, means this is the radius of this clock, radius of this circular minute hand. Length of minute hand is 14 centimeter. It is also radius. Okay, okay. How far does it goes? Does the tip, this tip goes in 1 hour? Means if it is moving for 1 hour, how far will it go? It will cover this full circle. It will start from here and move this way round and come back to this point. This will complete 1 hour of this. Okay, starting from one point and coming back to that point will complete one circle. So we have to calculate how much distance does it cover. So distance covered by it will be this circumference. Okay, so how far does it go? Distance moved is equals to circumference is equals to 2 pi r. That is 2 into 22 by 7. Here radius is 14. 2s are 22 into 4. It is 88 centimeters. So this is the distance covered by the tip of the minute hand in 1 hour as it completes one circle. Minute hand will complete one circle. That is, this will cover 60 minutes. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes and so on. It will cover 60 minutes. So it will come back to this point, that is, it will complete one circle. So it will move 88 centimeters.